Are you passionate about welding? Would you like to teach the next generation of skilled craftsmen and women in America? Then KWI might be looking for you. Come on, let me show you what it's like to be an instructor at KWI. So welcome to your new office. KWI doesn't have a fancy desk for you to sit behind and kick your feet up on. We're all about getting in the welding booth, getting in the simulators, and showing these young men and women how to weld. So let me show you some of the things that you're going to be instructing out here. We start out training students to do flux core, then move to stick weld. When we get into TIG weld, we learn how to back feed on plate before moving into the TIG welding of pipe. So we're going to be teaching flux core welding, we're going to be teaching stick welding, we're going to go through all the processes into 6-inch pipe, we're going to do TIG welding of plate, we're going to jump into the monsters, and everything is AWS certification on our bend test.
Hey, what's up guys? Keegan Dales here, one of the instructors currently at the Kentucky Welding Institute. The reason why I like instructing here at KWI is the camaraderie me and the other instructors have, because we are all in our mid-20s to mid-30s and we all get along really well, and we all have recently been on and off jobs, so we can talk about that with the students and also amongst ourselves, and it's just really enjoyable being around people who have currently got off a job or who are in the industry right now.
So my favorite thing about being an instructor here at KWI is taking everything that I've learned over the years in this industry and passing it on to the newer generation.
I'd have to say one of my favorite reasons working at the school here is because of the flexibility, meaning like how well they work with me. Say like I'm just starting to get burnt out and I want to get back out there on my tools again. Make sure I can still walk the walk if I'm down there in the shop talking the talk. That's really cool. Plus, it's always nice to be able to go chase that road money. Everybody knows you can't make it anywhere but on the road, so that's always a big plus too. So yeah, I would say my favorite reasoning for working here would have to be just how flexible they are with me when they pop in and out.
My name is Landon Rigdon. One of the reasons why I like working at KWI is you get to see the growth of the students. A lot of these kids come in here day one not knowing anything. By the time at the end of it, they're a combo pipe welder, and that's dreams right there.
At KWI, our students are our products. So we need people like you who have the skills from industry to come in and help teach the next generation. KWI has excellent pay with great benefits, matching 401k, paid vacation, paid holidays. Guess what? Very little lesson plan. So all the things that you think you wouldn't like about teaching, we kind of take that away from you. At KWI, we spend a lot of time in the shop and weld, and you're going to have some influence into the curriculum that you teach. And if you still want to hit a few outages along the way, we're open to that as well. So if you want to be a part of a mission-based team that values faith, family, and work ethic, then come join the KWI team.